And we are back. FreeTradingVideos.com. This is what I was showing you yesterday. This is the S&P daily. We come screaming down, screaming down, screaming down. We have a doji, a long leg doji, and we have an unprecedented, monster, extraordinary up day, a historical up day. And then this was yesterday, Monday, and we get a or I'm sorry, Tuesday. This is Tuesday. Yesterday we get a higher high, higher low, and you know, it looked like to me we're going to be hitting our head at resistance, and we should be heading down, and we need to be short if we went lower than this low. And today, sure enough, we went lower than this low, and you should have gone short. I still had some longs in this position. I was holding Apple through this, Apple and a couple others. And I know when we got this yesterday, I had to tighten up some stops. But I was going to hold them. I was going to hold them if we still made a higher high today, or a higher low. I'm sorry, higher low. When I say a higher low, I'm talking about that lower part of the shadow, lower shadow, that wick. If we stayed higher than that today, I would have kept my longs. But we didn't. We stopped out of the longs and we added to our short positions. And I'll tell you, man, when you're down 90 points in the S&P and you're short, that will put a smile on your face. I mean, I just had a fantastic day in the shorts here. Let me show you a 30-minute chart on the S&P. A low base formation. If you don't know what a low base formation is, go to chart school and look at low base breakdown. I mean, we have one right here. See, we drop, 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 drop. We base, finding support at the 50-day. We break it right there. You short that. Boom, boom, boom. We drop. We pop up a little bit. And look at this. Another low base. We drop, 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 drop. Base. Boom. We short it right there. Again. Very nice. And this is how we end. But at the end, I got out of my shorts. I left enough on to hedge myself. I'm hedged right now going into tomorrow. So no matter what happens tomorrow morning, I couldn't care less. So if we gap up or gap down, it doesn't matter to me. I will unload my weak hedge, you know, on whatever it is. So meaning this, we gap way up tomorrow, I'll unload my shorts. If I gap way down tomorrow, I'll unload my longs. And if we just break even, I'll just probably hold both of them and until we start to develop a trend, which will usually start within the first hour, hour and a half of the day. So anyway, there you have it. Happy trading. And as always, watch us here at freetradingvideos.com. If you have been, you should be making money in the market.